My name is Nate Allen. I'm a research scientist and sustainability coordinator here at Biosphere2. And today we're working on a solar install partnering with the Solar Guild. So we're going to install about 40 kilowatts or so of solar panels that were donated to us by Tucson Electric Power and the Zolan Corporation. And we've got a bunch of students out here learning to install, getting some on-the-job training, and we'll plug the power into the biosphere and use it for research. A lot of the skills that the students are learning today, you know, they're seeing a system being put together. Now, a lot of the work, right, is just like putting nuts and bolts together, right? But having a larger concept of how do you string panels together, how do solar panels work, you know, what's the math behind sizing a system and plugging it all in together.
Exactly, yeah. So let's can we do it right out here? Let's move that way. Yeah, let's move this way.
My name is Deanna Lewis. I'm a grad student at the University of Arizona, and I do photovoltaic outreach and education under Materials Science and Engineering in the Arizona Research Institute for Solar Energy. Okay, so this is a project with a couple high schools, Tucson High, Rincon High School, Pima Community College, University of Arizona. And so what they're embarking on is a community-based project that involves solar energy, photovoltaics. And so what's really lovely about this community activity is it takes youth and gets them working with college students, university professors, which allows for intergenerational learning to occur. But also when you look at it from the perspective of young women actually using power tools, and actually there's a level of empowerment that comes from working with tools and having some autonomy to be given a task and be able to carry it out on your own. And then there's another application which I just delight in, but STEM education, science, technology, engineering, and math. So these are young women, and usually women are, it's more of a stereotype, but shy away from science, technology, math, and engineering. So they're getting this hands-on opportunity to work with photovoltaics. They're integrating what they're learning in school and applying it in this particular environment. So it's just a fabulous combination of community members putting in a project that's actually going to benefit the community they live in and gives them some skills that they can apply lifelong. So I'm just delighted to be a part of this.
She didn't even do it! So what we're going to do is... So those ones beat it too?
Yeah, that's what
okay.
I know.
Hi, I'm Isabella from Tucson High, and today we're building solar panels. Well, I take a lot of science classes at my school, and I'm part of the Solar Energy Club with Miss Wilch from Tucson High. And she gave us this opportunity to go on a field trip this Saturday to the Biosphere and get some hands-on experience. Well, I'm interested in like all kinds of like environmental science, really marine biology, but like renewable energy is really interesting to me as well. Well, I've been to the Biosphere before to work on like some research projects, also with Miss Wilch with like photosynthesis and stuff, but never like for renewable energy, so it's pretty cool.
You? Okay. Yeah, go ahead and grab a box and take it over there, and I guess we'll just figure out when we get over there. Let's just head to the...
Yeah, my name's Robert Crossland. I'm with the Solar Guild. We're out here for a 3K photovoltaic install. This is a collaboration of Tucson High, Rincon High, Basis Junior High, Pima Community College, U of A, and TEP. We, our emphasis is on community projects. We're nonprofit. We had a need to do some real work on top of the theory that we were teaching at Pima Community College. Now it's blown into an outreach program that's touching many different communities and other nonprofits. So the high schoolers out here are part of solar clubs with their own high schools, and various teachers and curriculum are teaching them about solar. And this aspect of it is some true hands-on, boots on the roof training. The bloody knuckles, the ins and outs. We got here and like we had the wrong bolt sizes and the wrong holes, and here we are drilling things out. Typical build. You'll feel it too as you drill. You'll feel 2 steps. Yeah, you want to see some like iron flying. Yeah. Yeah, the Solar Guild. One of the biggest questions that I asked when I was an adjunct professor at Pima Community College in the photovoltaics class was, can we get out to a job site? Can we learn something more than the theory? And as I asked around, we weren't able to find any companies that would allow that due to liability issues. We weren't able to get out onto sites unless it was just to look at something. And so Deanna Lewis and myself and a couple core members decided to create a nonprofit in order to facilitate that. So it's about teaching, and it's about helping our community. We invite anybody to join us. We want to spread the information about photovoltaics and solar. We're providing a venue to do that, and projects to do that. And please find out more at solarguild.org.